watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather, coverage you can count on.
And there's a live look over Lake Almanor right now. Still cloudy up there at 4,000 plus feet, but still you can see those are rain clouds that we're looking at there. Snow perhaps even in higher elevations in Plumas County.
I'm looking at that shot and trying to decide if that looks like a little bit of snow on the ground right now.
It kind of does, doesn't it?
Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff, well, you would know the answer to that.
I am nodding my head yes.
Okay.
We have snow over Lake Almanor. It's so good to see that. We had a good amount of snow over Lake Shasta, or the Mount Shasta also, and it's going to be a good time to have more snow coming our way in the coming days because we are not done with the active weather. Although it's quieter now, well, I tell you, it was windy this morning. It woke me up before about 7:30. We had wind gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour in many parts of the valley, but it's not as windy now. It's not very warm either. Alturas, 32 degrees. It's 38 degrees in Mount Shasta, 40 in Bernie. Chester, near Lake Almanor, is only 38. It's 58 degrees in Redding and 60 degrees, one of the warm spots in Redding as well as in Corning. But look at the comparison. Between now and 24 hours ago, we're down 13 to 35 degrees from just 24 hours ago and expect to be well below average for quite some time going forward. We have a different weather pattern with this different month of November. We still have the cold front pushing toward the Nevada border right now. Some spotty light snow showers and light valley rain showers are still a possibility. And you can see in the short-term futurecast, we're going to have a gradual increase those clouds by tomorrow morning. Don't expect heavy amounts of rain or snow anywhere in the short term, but there's still enough instability and enough moisture in the air to cause those showers to fall through tomorrow afternoon. And then one thing you'll notice when the sun goes down Wednesday night, these clouds, they are gone. We're also going to have that wind begin to pick up, but from a different direction. Today, it was out of the south. We're going to have gusty wind coming out of the north on Thursday as that storm continues to retreat over the Great Basin. So in the short term, we'll still have a little bit of precipitation, but not too much for the valley. Most places less than 1/10 of an inch. Higher elevations, especially if we have one solitary snowstorm, even a couple thunderstorms are a possibility. Some places over 4/10 of an inch of rain. As far as the snow is concerned, we could receive between 3 and 6 additional inches of snow, but this is just the first storm. Coming up in the next half hour, I'm going to show you the long-term forecast, and there are much better chances for heavier rain and longer lasting mountain snow going forward. As far as the wind is concerned, that will certainly be weaker tonight through early tomorrow. We won't have much wind on Wednesday, but again, it's going to return on Thursday. Now, Thursday's wind coming out of the north will not be as strong as the wind coming out of the south was today, but again, you're going to feel it, and it is not going to be a very warm time for us. So looking at our winter weather advisories for our eastern counties as well as western Siskiyou County. Those will last through Wednesday evening. And for the Sierra, the area in blue, that's our winter storm warning. Up to 16 inches of snow possible in the highest peaks. Most places will not receive that much. And thankfully, the wind is not as strong. But keep in mind, we're going to have snowy roads, and we're going to have some areas of limited visibility. So make sure you drive carefully. Here is your forecast for tomorrow. Scattered rain and snow showers for Trinity and Siskiyou counties, and those highs are not going to be high. After lows in the 20s and 30s, we'll have highs only in the 40s. A chilly night and not a warm afternoon for the Northeast with scattered snow showers. Highs 30s and lower 40s. For the Ridge, there will not be much of a change in those overnight lows or the daytime highs. Lows upper 30s and lower 40s with highs mainly in the 40s with scattered rain showers and high elevation snow above Butte Meadows. For the Valley, we'll have cooler weather tonight, much cooler than it was this morning. Lows mainly in the lower 40s, highs lower to mid 50s tomorrow with scattered rain showers, but not a lot of additional rain. And the Chico area will have lows tonight between 40 and 45. Not as windy tomorrow, scattered rain showers and highs in the mid to upper 50s. Next 7 days in Chico, expect active weather this weekend and early next week. More good chances for valley rain and gusty wind, and those highs are going to be well below average through next Tuesday. Also, do not forget, fall back Saturday night when you go to bed. We go back to standard time.